Hi, I'm Stephanie Hansen from stephaniesdish.com, and I have some delicious corned beef that I'm making. So I'm going to show you how to make a Thousand Island dressing from scratch. Making dressing from scratch is one of my favorite things to do because it's always so much better. I'm using 2/3, and I'm kind of just eyeballing here, of mayonnaise. All right, that looks like 2/3 of a cup. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of ketchup. And Thousand Island dressing is something that's my husband's favorite. A lot of us had it as kids, but it's kind of gone out of favor a little bit. Just probably because it's sweet, but it is super delicious. It's great in a Reuben. It's great with corned beef. It's also great on a salad or as a basis for like a Louis dressing, which is a seafood salad. All right, so we have 3 tablespoons of the sweet pickle relish. That's what makes it sweet. A 1/4 cup of chopped pickles. And I've got those right here. And I just chopped up some dill pickles. You can use whatever pickles you have. Though if you're gonna use sweet, be careful because then it'll be too sweet. So you wanna make adjustments for that. I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of horseradish. I like mine a little bit spicy, so it'll give us a little bit of the heat. Also, we're gonna add some dashes of hot sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Worcestershire. Okay. And then I'm gonna add some salt and mix it all up. About a teaspoon of salt here. All right, so that is our Thousand Island dressing. Pretty simple, but just taking those extra steps and making it yourself is gonna make it super delicious. It's gonna be real pickly, because that's kind of how I like mine. If you don't want as many pickles, you can add less pickles. That's the joy of making your own dressing. You can make it exactly to order how you like. All right, you can see the consistency is pickly. It's not too thick or too thin. It's actually perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a little taste here. Yum. This is my husband's favorite. It's sweet, it's delicious, it's got a little bit of heat from the horseradish. It is gonna go great on our Reuben sandwiches. So go ahead and mix yourself up a bowl of that. It's delicious. You can find this recipe and other salad dressing recipes at stephaniesdish.com, my website. You can follow me on Substack and make sure that you get my True North Cabin cookbook linked below. You can also watch for the new cookbook that's coming out in September. Thanks, guys.